I can't believe you forgot the water bottle in the car again.
I know, right?
What'd you do?
That's what we get for going generic.
My dad, he was telling me about this brand called Southco. They make high quality Jeep parts and you should call there.
You're right. Hey Google, call Southco.
Good morning, Southco. How can I help you?
Hi, I just broke my dad's door handle on his Jeep, and I hear you make high quality parts.
Absolutely. We're located here in Concordville, Pennsylvania. Why don't you head over and we'll hook you up with a new handle and tell you about our company.
I'm on my way.
So Southco, we are doing access hardware, which is locks, latches, hinges, fasteners. Our sales guys like to say you can't go 50 feet in the world without coming in contact with one of our products.
So we start with a raw material. In Southco's case at this plant we use plastic, so it's a raw plastic pellet. We then process those into the molded part, so we melt them down into molten plastic, feed it into a mold, let that cool into the final part, and then release it from the mold. A lot of parts that we make, we might just sell directly after molding, and then other parts we will assemble with other components into a fully functional product.
One of the things we run into all the time in the test lab is we get pushed to do like environmental testing at -40 Celsius or over 100 Celsius. And it's hard for engineers to design their products to handle that. We have to design our fixtures to handle it repeatedly on multiple cycles. Honestly, I love building stuff. I've always liked making things ever since I was a kid. I just love seeing all the different ways of making things and trying to make improvement products that I guess will support people and make their life easier.
Thank you for the door handle. Man, I sure am glad we went to Southco.
Still can't believe you broke that door handle.
Let's just get my water bottle and go inside. Oh, that's right. I left it in my math classroom.
Reagan!